A new non-government group is stepping up to help Filipinos hit hardest by floods, especially in communities where flood control projects have fallen short. Hannah Jane Sancho reports.
Flooding has become a serious problem in the country, made worse by stronger storms and continuous heavy rains. This is an effect of worsening climate change, not only in the Philippines but around the world. Amid these disasters, a non-government organization has been launched to focus on helping those in need. The group, called I Care PH Advocates, is made up of volunteers from various parts of the country.
Tutulong sa mga mahirap, lalong-lalo na po sa mga naapektuhan ng mga kalamidad ng sasunog at sa mga baha at kung ano pang mga sakuna.
Engineer Henry Sabate, the group's founding chairman, says their priority is to assist communities repeatedly hit by flooding due to failed flood control projects. He said the group will work together in the spirit of bayanihan or community solidarity to help in any way they can.
Itong iCare po ay voluntarism po, is a non-stock, non-profit. Open po ito sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, ganun din sa international. At gusto po natin lalakas po ang ating puwersa nang sa ganun po ay makakatulong po tayo hindi lamang sa pamahalaan kung hindi sa lahat ng mga community na nangangailangan ng ating tulong.
iCare also plans to launch feeding programs in different parts of the country. Priority will be given to marginalized communities often left without assistance.
That is one of the focus ng iCare, is to help lalo na yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo, yung nabaha, yung mga hindi maabot o hindi makabili ng bigas kasi walang daan papunta sa mga palengke. Yun ang focus ngayon ng iCare. It's more on helping.
Among the group's supporters is former Ilocos Sur Governor Chavez Singson. He called on Filipinos to unite in facing today's challenges and urged everyone to take part in the bayanihan efforts of iCare PH Advocates.
Pasalamat ako sa mga members ng iCare dahil active pa rin kayo sa pagtulong sa ating bansa na dapat ngayon dahil kailangan ang tulong bawat Pilipino para sa ating bansa dahil papunta na tayo sa basura kung di pa tayo kikilos.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Hannah Jane Sancho, SMNI News.